boys and girls. Today we're gonna bake cookies. For baking cookies we need eggs, some butter, flour, and some sugar. We need to mix two eggs with sugar. And we're gonna add sugar to two eggs. And now mix them up. You can melt the butter or cut it into squares and leave it in the kitchen for 30 minutes. I melted. Add butter to eggs and sugar. Add 250 grams of flour, and you can put there a little bit of salt. We need to put this down and to put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. And you can eat a little bit of this. For cookies we need a pan, flour. Take the dough on the board like this, and we're gonna roll up the dough. Cutters. The oven to 180 degrees. It's my cookies, and what is your cookies? Write your answers in the comments. Enjoy your cookies.